It is 10:15, Christmas Eve. I just finished decorating the tree, so we're going to go jingle the bells, and Mike's going to do a little ho 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 outside her door in a little while, and then... Isabella, can you say good morning? Baby.
Come on.
Come on, let's go downstairs. Oh, come play downstairs.
Daddy's gonna come downstairs. Come on.
No.
Okay.
What is that? That is SpongeBob. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. Look at, Isabella, look at the tree. Just look, don't touch.
Boo boo. Do you see all your toys? Look at all your toys.
Here.
Want to open them?
Papi.
Did Santa come?
No.
Dora card here. Would you like some help? It says, Merry Christmas, daughter.
Hey, Dora. Mommy. Hey, a booth.
That is Booth. Here, open this.
Okay. Oh, Bobby. Baba.
What is in there?
Boy.
Here. Here. A horse? Okay, keep going. There's more in there. You can play after you open.
A bee.
Show Daddy.
Cool, Ernie.
Yeah.
Cool. Keep opening your presents.
Come on, keep going. There's more. Keep opening. Here, set it down. There we go. Set it right there. Okay? I'll open it after you keep opening.
Candy?
Okay, keep going.
Candy.
Who's on the candy? Dora.
Okay, keep going.
Okay. Keep going. Okay, here, I'll get the Band-Aids out. You keep opening.
Go.
Do you know what those are? Here. SpongeBob toothpaste? Okay. Here.
Open your presents.
Here, we'll open toothpaste later. Here, open. That's from Nanook, Nimue, and Alora. Okay, go ahead, open.
Yeah.
You want help?
No, baby, help.
You got chippies?
Yeah.
Okay, open another one.
I can get that perfect.
Keep going.
I do.
Hurry up, Great Grandma. Open the paper already.
You want some help?
Yes. Okay, baby, help.
No, the baby will help herself. Here, pull it out.
Do you want Daddy to help?
No.
Do you see what it is?
Okay.
Yeah, look. What's that?
Oh, baby.
Here, put it over here. Grab another one.
And that one. I don't.
Who is that?
That Broby?
Yeah, those are snowmen. They are cute. You having fun opening presents? Go ahead, pull it out. Yeah, more Broby. Here, put it over there. Good job.
Katie helping you? What is it?
Is it a groovy girl?
Yeah.
You like? Okay, you got two more.
Hey.
Who is that? Is that SpongeBob?
Who's that?
Broby. Touch his hand. Come here. Ready? Look.
My name is Bobby.
There's one more present. The other bag.
Let's go.
What's in there?
Open it. Put your hat on. Woohoo!
No, it
Put it
fits.
on.
Put it on.
Put it on like Woody.
Yep. Yep. Go ahead. Put it on.
Put it on. Show Grammy. Put it on.
Put it on for the camera.
Too big?
It's not too big. Look. Isabella.
That Woody?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say thank you, Santa. Say thank you, Mommy, Daddy. Say Merry Christmas.